forgot about it getting dark earlier now, and it was raining, and it was dark. And right through here is where them deer ran out. Not where these. When we get up over this hill is where they came out. Guardrail, that's the word I was trying to think of. Not where the guardrail was at, but down through here they came out. And it was a couple of them. And one of them was a big old buck. And I had to stop. The guy in front of me had to stop. And then we went on kind of slow, and there were two cars coming the way we're headed now. I was going the other way, obviously. And I flashed my lights at them, and I looked in my rear view mirror, and I saw them having to slow down to a stop. Another one ran out in front of them, and I made sure I looked to make sure that they kept going, so obviously they didn't hit anything, thank God. Yeah, they were on the move last night about whatever time it was, about 8 o'clock or so. And I guess you just kind of get used to it in the summertime, stay in daylight still. And I guess between the rain coming in and the clouds, and then it gets dark now about that time. And down through this section, there's not like there's any
street lights.
Yeah, so it just makes it a little darker. I mean, it wasn't like it was horrible, but you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And those
You ready when this car goes by?
Yep. But I don't know. I don't want to have to put new handlebars on and then have to put the old ones back on. Okay, I'm going to say that again because I had my visor up, and there's no way in hell anybody heard me over that 100th anniversary bike that just took off in front of me. So, what I don't want to do is take the stock handlebars off, put the new handlebars on, and then have to turn around and take those off and put the old ones back on. So I'm a little bit nervous about whether I actually want to put the handlebars on or not, but I will let my Instagram and YouTube, my tens of followers on Instagram and YouTube know about it. Obviously what decision got made.
What's up, Fairy Bridges? Give me a thumbs up. One, two, three. Okay.
But what if I want to clap more?
That's too many points to sink to.
I like to clap. I never touched anything when we stopped. Telling me to touch stuff? I don't need to touch stuff. Stuff was already touched.
Look, Snowflake.
Snowflakes are unique and individuals.
Oh, we didn't sink. 1, 2, 3. It's got to make noise. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The quest for neutral. Fairy Boots channel is rated R today, children. Fairy Boots, brought to you by the letter F.
F is for fuck it.
We're going to learn a new word today, kids.